Because they're husband and wife, right?
Yeah. Well, she says it's hers.
She'll probably get sale.
Yeah. Where was it at?
In her purse.
It's in her purse. Okay.
Yeah, it sounds like everything was Jules when that went through it. And is this all his as well?
Yes.
Good. His phone, his keys, or keys we'll take with. Is that her cell phone?
Yes, that is hers.
Yep.
This is his nickel. And I got the rest of his wallet here too.
Okay.
Not seeing anything else in there. Holy cow, his ID is pretty rough, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Have not read his Miranda rights to him yet.
Okay.
Just so you're aware.
Yeah, I'll have the gentleman with him.
Sounds like a plan. Any place else need to be searched?
I don't think so.